Hello everyone and welcome to this new Unreal Engine tutorial, and today we are going to see how to set a nice aim offset system without the need of animations. So first things first guys, we need to go to our character blueprint, select our camera. For me I have an FPS camera and a TPS camera. Whatever you are using, FPS or TPS or both, guys, you need to first search for every camera. You need to search for use pound control rotation and check it on. For me, I have also a TPS camera, so I am going to my TPS camera is attached to a camera boom. So I am going to the camera boom and select use pound control rotation. Also, guys, if you are using an FPS camera, you need to select a parent socket for your FPS camera, and it should be the head. Okay, so the head will always be at the camera, sorry, will always be attached to our head. Okay, guys, this is for the first step. Secondly, we need to go to our anim instance, anim blueprint. If you remember, guys, this is the anim blueprint that we have created in last videos. So today, we need to set an anim offset. So for to do this, without the need of animations, of course, to do this, guys, we need to transform our spine bones. Okay, guys, this is the spine. Sorry, I will show you. This is spine one, spine two, spine three. So if you see, guys, if we rotate our spine bone, the character will move. Okay, guys. So to do this, in our anim instance blueprint, we need to create a node named transform bond or modify bond. To have this, guys, you just need to type uh, trans, transform bond. This is it, guys. This is the node that we are going to use. The settings for our node, guys, should be like this. So bone to modify. For now, guys, I am going to use only one bone, which is a spine one, two, or three. But in order to have a more smooth movement and more realistic aim offset, we could use the three spine bones. Okay, guys. For now, we are going to use the only one, and then I will show you how to use the three of them. Okay, guys. So you need to go to translation and check this expose as spine because we don't need to translate our bone. Also, same thing for the scale. We will only keep the rotation. Okay. Now for the rotation, for the rotation mode, I will set it as replace existing. Sorry, it will be add to existing. Okay. And that's it. We will keep the rotation space as component space. Okay, guys. Now you see that we are going to need a rotation data. From where we are going to get this rotation data, we go to our event graph. We grab from the try get pound owner, get control rotation. That's it. Now, guys, this is the rotation data that we are going to need. In order to use this value, we need to save it on a variable. We grab return value and promote to variable, and we name it control rotation. I have already done this to gain time. Okay, I will delete this, and that's it. Now we have the control rotation value from the character blueprint on our anim instance blueprint. Now we go back to anim graph. We grab control rotation and we connect this to rotation. Okay, guys. Now from the node that we have set previous for the anim montage, we connect this here and this here. And now, guys, this is what you are going to have. Sorry, I will delete what I have done before. Okay. Now, guys, if I'm going to use this as it is, sorry, I have not set the spine to. Okay, if I am going to use it like it is, look at the result. You see that it's pretty much messy. Why? Because the control rotation contains the three axes, which is X, Y, Z. For us guys, we just need to the bone to move on the X axis like this. To do this, guys, what we are going to do to go back to anim instance, we disconnect this spline structure, and in the Y, which is the pitch, we connect this on the X. Why this is the Y and not the X, guys? Because it is what it is, just like this. The control rotation use different axes than the anim instance. Okay, guys. Now, even though, guys, you can see that the direction is inversed. Okay, guys. When I pull down the mouse, the character is looking up, and vice versa. How to correct this? I am going to multiply this by -1, and we connect this to X. When I compile for testing, now our character is looking on the right direction when I move the mouse on the right direction, like this. Okay, guys. Now, guys, I have mentioned in the beginning of the video that we are going to use only one bone of the spine. Why? Look at the aesthetic of our character, guys. When he is looking down, it's little bit creepy. So what we are going to do is using this node, the transform bone node on the tree bone of our spine. We are going to copy paste this node with its settings. Okay, we keep the same settings. We only change the spine, the bone to modify, which gonna be the spines. Now I connect this here, and this here. Okay, guys. Okay. Now for the rotation X, because we have three bone transform, we are going to divide this by 3. So on 3, and we connect this on every node. That's it. Also, guys, you need to go back to your event graph on the set of your control rotation. You disconnect the link, you split structure on the get control rotation and the control rotation, the variable. And here you disconnect the set, and you do what I am doing. You add a branch, okay? You copy paste the set, okay? You will say if the Y, which is the pitch, is greater than 19, okay? If it's false, you just set the Y and the X and Z normally. But if it is greater than 90, you need to do, you add float like this. You put Y here, sorry, here, and you make 360 minus Y. Okay, and you set the control rotation Y with the result. You keep connect the X and the Z normally. You compile. Now we have the three transform bone, which are set by the control rotation divide by 3, and on the event graph you add this setting. Okay, guys. Okay, we compile. Let's test. Okay. Now you can see that there is a problem. I forgot something. We go back to our anim instance. Here, guys, we must add multiply by -1. Okay. Okay. We compile. We talk play, and now it is working. Our character is having a natural movement on his spine. Great. So guys, I have done these additional settings because it's different how the control rotation and our variable on the anim instance, especially the transform bone work. So in one of them is working with X, the other with the Y, and also one is using the component space and the other the word space. So I had to add this letter math this here, sorry. So now our character is working perfectly. It is having a nice aim offset movement. It is cheap, guys. It do not require animations, okay? And you can shoot in every direction. Now your character can shoot in the sky and down. That's it, guys. So it's pretty much everything for today. Thank you for following. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button and see you next video. Thank you, guys.